Outside today.
We saw monster. We have our gun with us, shooting everybody that turned into monster during the COVID. Yeah, like in a movie. Like I'm a legend. You have to be ready.
You guys, please don't listen to my husband, please. You guys, I had to go on the road today because I had to go see my doctor, and we did that, and I was wearing my mask. It feels so weird. Everybody on the road have on masks. The new normal, it's scary.
So you
and
feel different.
Talk
You feel
with the mask on, it just feel weird.
You feel special, like you feel like
No,
people
I feel
looking at you.
different, yeah. And because everybody in different colors and different style, everybody just looking at each other, it just feel weird. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. This multitasking mama is doing what she do. I am busy. I've been busy. I'm taking care of me. I'm taking care of Tyler. I'm taking care of Sarah. I'm doing it all. Guys, I just finished getting my workout in, and I'm making some fresh orange juice for Sarah, and I'm going to jump right into making her lunch and dinner because it's almost lunchtime and her lunch is not ready as yet. So I need to get that done, and Tyler is over there getting some schoolwork done. So multitasking is in full effect right now, and I need to jump in the shower real quick, but I need to get this food on the stove so it can cook while I'm in the shower. Anyway, you guys, I just have a lot to do around here, and I need to have my breakfast. My breakfast is here waiting on me. So much to do. It's raining outside, cats and dogs all night. It's been raining all morning. It's been raining, and today outside open again. We can now go outside under circumstances. We have our mask, and a few places are open and stuff like that, but I'm happy rain is falling because people will stay home and don't bum rush outside like, hey, you know what I mean? So anyway, it's a blessing in disguise. So hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys are using time management and get what you have to get done. That's the only way I get things done around here. Time management, and go and prioritize and do what I have to do and just keep things going. Baby's also in the office working. You guys will see when he jumps in and out of the office every now and then. But a lot to do throughout the day today on my agenda, so I'm gonna stop babbling and keep going. Stay blessed, stay loved, stay motivated, stay encouraged, and continue staying safe, you guys. Even if outside is open again like here, take precaution, wear your mask, stock up on your hand sanitizer, sanitize like you're a fool, sanitize every chance you get, unconsciously just sanitize, and pay attention to not touching your face too much and all that good stuff. I'm gonna let you say hi to the kids and give my baby her orange juice, and let's get this day going, shorty. Baby number one, say good morning to the faves.
Good morning, babe.
What are you doing?
I'm doing activity.
What is the activity that you get to do this morning? Tell them.
Letter.
What letter are you writing?
Y.
And what word did teacher send for you to write?
My name.
And what other word?
Neither. Yahoo.
Yaourt. Exactly. So you're practicing the letter Y. Wait, you're practicing the letter Y and writing Tyler and Yaourt, right?
Yes, Mom.
Okay. Yes, Tyler.
After I can do some painting.
Yes, we'll do painting through today, but you have to get through these activities first, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's do this. Baby number 2. Hi, princess. Sarah, here goes your orange juice. 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 Say good morning. Juice.
R.
Mmm.
T.
Mmm. Yummy. Yummy. She love her orange juice in the mornings. Yummy. My big girl. Yummy. More?
Mama,
Yes,
you
Dad?
look very good.
Continue. Almost done, Mama. Let me see. Oh, a little bit to go. Oh, let's go finish up. Huh?
T. Mama, look, I finished everything. I finished the
It's finished. Bravo! You guys, so I finished cooking Sarah's lunch and about to get it in the blender. For her lunch today, I cooked chicken and carrot and broccoli. So I'm gonna blend this up right now and feed her right away and store the rest. I also made dinner for Sarah for a few days, and for dinner I made potato and zucchini. Alright, there we go. One blend of carrots and broccoli ready to blend. And voila, lunch is ready. Lunch is ready for my girl. You guys, Taylor and I here doing some activities while Sarah's sleeping. So we're doing math, and I give him a number and show him some fingers and ask him what's the additional fingers we need for it to equal the number. So here we go. We have 2 fingers. How many more fingers do you need for it to become 3?
1.
Good job. We have 5 fingers. How many more fingers do you need for it to become 8?
3.
Good job. You have 1 finger. How many more fingers do you need for it to become 6?
5.
Very good. You have 2 fingers. How many more fingers do you need for it to become 5?
3.
Very good. You have 5 fingers. How many more fingers do you need for it to become 7?
2.
Very good. You have 3 fingers. How many more fingers do you need for it to become 7?
4.
Bravo. You have 8 fingers. How many more fingers do you need for it to become 10?
2.
Very good.
So I deserve to paint now.
Yes, we'll do painting soon.
Finish the sky.
finish?
Yes, I finished my first one.
Okay. What is this? Explain to me what you did.
This is a little forest.
It's a little forest.
Yes, this is a tree with an apple. And this
Okay.
is a man with a hat.
Okay. And your sun?
And 2 clouds in the sky.
Very good. I like it. It's beautiful.
Next
done.
one. Next one. What can
It
I
was his forest.
do?
His tree with the apple on
Oh, I have an
it. His
idea.
purple man, his
What don't
sun, cloud, and
I do
sky.
an airport?
That sounds good to me.
Okay, first let me start to buy some brown.
Alright, Della finishes painting. Tell the faves what you painted.
First, this is Mama working out.
He said, this is me, and this is my skipping rope, and he said, this is my phone. So that one is pretty cool. Alright, what is this one?
This one is a police helicopter here.
Where is the helicopter?
This?
Oh, this is a helicopter.
Yes.
Okay, and this is who?
The bad guy.
The bad
have a
guy
hat.
running away.
Yes, and there's no police inside that, but he gets
There's no
out
police inside where?
in the helicopter.
So how is the helicopter flying with no police in there?
Here's the land.
Oh,
I
it's
just
landed.
to make the
Oh,
H.
okay, okay. All right, what is this one?
This is the airport and the air represent where the airport is, and this is the airplane about to land on the road, and here's the road. Here's the door and here's the sign. And here I try to write a report.
Okay. And this one was the first one. What is this one?
A little forest.
A little forest. And what's inside the forest? What's
A
this?
tree with an apple.
Okay.
This a guy with a hat.
Mm-hmm.
And this is some 2 clouds and 1 sky.
All right. And what is this one?
This is Sarah's favorite video. This is Billy and this is Bam Bam and this is the sun. This is the cloud. This is the cloud. This is the cloud and this is 1 sky.
All right. Bravo. Well done. I like them all. Good job, Ty.
Mama, I want to play with this play-doh.
Okay, you want to play with your dentist play-doh?
Yes, where I can play.
I'm going to clean the table and put you there, okay?
Okay.
My boy gone from painting to play-doh. What are you doing?
Play-doh.
What kind of play-doh are you doing?
Some tooth.
You're doing tooth. You're being a dentist.
Yes.
All right.
Doing some tooth and then if he eats too much sweet, I'm going to be.
And then what?
I'm going to be a dentist.
You're going to be a dentist?
If he eats too much sweetie.
If you eat, if you eat too much sweetie.
Yes, him.
Okay.
To play the head. Look, they're all black.
Oh, so that means you eat too much sweets.
No, it's just that I don't find no yellow. In there's almost no more yet white.
Okay, you mean you didn't find any white?
Yes.
Okay, so you're giving black tooth.
Yes, and if it become blue, that's mean. That's mean.
Mean.
He eat too much sweet.
All right. I just love his little personality, the way he explained himself. Whenever he's doing something, he's hilarious. Anyway, you guys, I'm in the kitchen while my girl is over there playing. Let me show you her. She's playing by herself today as her brother is doing activities all day. So she's getting a little playtime by herself, which is good. And baby's in the office. I just bring him some snack. And I'm in the kitchen cooking. I just hear my rice cooker stop. Let's check on that. And no, I am not cooking any rice. If you guys notice, I rarely cook rice in my house. I probably cook rice once a week or once every 2 weeks. And if I do cook rice, it's mainly for Tyler and Babe will take a taste. Babe will take a taste, or he'll take none at all. So for dinner today, I am making quinoa. So there goes my quinoa, all done. And over here, I have my broccoli all done. Let me throw off this water real quick. Broccoli is all done steaming. And there goes my fish, seasoned and ready to fry. But I am not gonna fry it right now because I need to go on the road real quick. I have a quick run to see my doctor, my personal doctor.
Mama, you can do that because we have our mask and you can take your mask.
I will take my mask. So this is her dinner outcome. This is potato and zucchini. And then this is her lunch. This is carrot, broccoli, and chicken. So yeah, that will be lunch and dinner for about 3 days.
Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. It's a lot of things here. Well, it's the 11th of May, it's the end of the lockdown for France, so we can go out, we don't need no paper, we can go, I won't say wherever we want because we're supposed to stay within 100 kilometers. So yeah, but we can go in the city, in different cities, everywhere. We just have to be careful, like we have to wear masks, we have to make sure not to be close to people, but yeah, basically we can go everywhere. Just the little things in France, the restaurant, the bar, all of these things remain closed, but we can go in the street, in the park, and yeah.
What kind of park?
Like botanic garden, like little garden. We can go to like the park where we had a picnic one day.
Oh,
all of this type of thing.
You don't call that a park?
Oh, you call park like Disneyland?
No, park like in town where I would carry Kyla to play.
With the water?
Yeah, and the slide.
It's open. It's open too. It's open
Really?
Too. Yeah, but they cut down the water so people, all of the kids don't go.
Yeah, but what's the sense of opening the park?
Well, it's open. It's just like if people want to walk or just, but they have to respect the distance. You have to stay 1 meter away from everybody. But like you said, what's the same? We're not going there. We're going where there's nobody.
Exactly.
So at least we can just walk.
Me and people not friends right now.
No, we're not friends with people.
I'm not friends with nobody right now, girl.
But at least it's the first step.
Yes,
we can go wherever we want right now. We can go to decide. Okay, let's go to food place, and yeah, even if I just say that all of the restaurants remain closed, they're open.
McDonald's and KFC open.
They should be open for takeoff.
Drive-through?
Yeah, almost all of the restaurant open for drive-through or takeoff. So, yeah, because I think KFC is
open.
Yeah, like Uber Eats or something like
you
this.
know what? Not Uber Eats. I'm gonna pick up my own food.
Yeah, you can pick up your own food, but just make sure you don't go anytime at the busy time because the people are crazy. They're gonna wait 1 hour to get to KFC. So, catch you guys. Yes, my Tyler. Yes.
Uncle, she just eat. You stay there with Uncle. Make she vomit.
Yeah, that's why I put her here so she can vomit on your face.
What you just say?
I said that's why I put her here so she can vomit on your face.
I'm going to stop staying up late at night because when I stay up late at night, the temptation to eat snack is
real. Yeah, but you have to
real.
eat because tomorrow morning you can't eat. So
yeah, that's different. But
so you just put this one here. So when you're hungry, you push it and it comes inside your body.
that's different. But on a normal night, I mean. Anyway, you guys,
This is the end of the day.
It's the end of the day.
You survived to day one after. Day one after. You know, it's like after Jesus Christ is you. I mean, you have to find his day one after.
Oh, quarantine.
Quarantine after Q. Day
Well,
one after Q.
we went outside today.
We saw monster. We have our gun with us, shooting everybody that turned into monster during the COVID. Yeah, like in a movie. Like I'm a legend. You have to be ready.
You guys, please don't listen to my husband, please. You guys, I had to go on the road today because I had to go see my doctor, and we did that, and I was wearing my mask. It feels so weird. Everybody on the road have on masks. The new normal, it's scary.
So you
and
feel different.
talk
You feel
with the mask on, it just feel weird.
You feel special, like you feel
No,
like people
I feel
looking at you.
different, yeah. And because everybody in different colors and different style, everybody just looking at each other, it just feel weird. It feel weird. I'm gonna try my best to stay inside if I don't have to go outside, honestly. And I'm gonna try and stay inside for a long time.
Yeah, maybe
This
one
new
in
normal
the
is hard.
weekend, one day in the weekend.
Yeah, but in the weekend when we go somewhere, we're gonna go far where nobody is. Though I'm still gonna wear my mask, at least I won't have to see much people.
Yeah,
if you see what
the
I
aim is
mean.
not to go where people
Right.
are. So we will go in
When we
the
go on our
mountain,
hikes and our stuff, we
in a
would have to see much
cave.
people. Right, we'd have to see
Yeah,
people.
we can go in a cave.
Anyway, you guys, we're coming on to end today's vlog. How was your day?
Ah, that was okay. I mean, I was at work then, and I went to the doctor. The kids makes my head. You know, the beauty is you see your kids growing from one step to another one, and it's like for Sarah, the more she will go, she'll become like Tyler in terms of you will be able to interact more with her. So it's also a nice part. But from when she was a baby, you just put her in one side, she don't move. And now you have to look at her every 1 second. She's in one side of the room, in the other side. I used to put her in the car. She used to stay like, can't move. Or when she move and she can't reach nothing. Now she's so tall. She can reach with her foot. She can kick everywhere in the car. When she's in her bed, she can stand, take the things on top, throw it away, break everything. Lordy.
You finished ranting?
Oh,
You
and
finished?
Tara is just has make my head. Ah, and I only have 2.
You finished ranting?
Yeah, that was my confession.
The kid's mad in bed when I'm not around. Anyway, you guys, watch the French expression for today.
Let me find something with what I just said. Je suis fatigué.
C'est moi fatigué.
Yeah, je suis fatigué. Fatigué. Not tired, but like fed up. It's like I'm tired of
Being tired.
the situation. I need vacation.
Alright.
When's the last time I got vacation?
The Jamaican expression for today is laggerhead girl. Who is a laggerhead girl?
Somebody with a little bit crazy, loco.
You can call them that too, but it's somebody, a laggerhead girl is somebody who don't have no sense. Act like they don't have no sense.
She's crazy.
Alright, you guys, there you have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure I get it.
Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm heading to bed.